Greetings to everyone. In this chapter, you'll be learning OD interventions. Actually, this is a concept of organization development for second MBA fourth semester. It is a specialization, HR specialization. And let us see, you have been learning from the first unit what is organization development. So, organization means it is a company or a firm which is organizing by a group of people or a single entrepreneur. It means operations will be done by the human power itself. So, an organization you can say it is done by a group of people. Particularly in this chapter, I would like to recollect you what is organization development. So organization development is a tool or a method used for bringing change the entire aspect of the organization. So rather than focusing on individuals, you have to focus on the entire organization. Then the things will change, and you can observe the changes in the organization so that the development will occur. So let us see the organization development definition. According to Orbeck Herd, organization development is an effort planned organization wide, managed from the top to increase organization effectiveness and health through planned intervention. So here with this definition you can observe that it is a planned intervention. So it is a pre-planned one. So here organization development can be occurred through a third party when the management of an organization meet the third party means here OD consultancies. So OD consultancy people will combinedly with the management, they will uh, plan some interventions, some tools, some process, some methods to apply in the organization to bring up the change. See here in this definition, you can observe behavior science knowledge. It means it is not only applicable on the organization structure and the structural change, but also the behavioral aspect of the organization. So the behavioral aspect of the organization can be bring up by the change in the mentality and the thinking capacity of the human power of an organization. So it is planned organization wide, managed from the top means the management, to increase organization effectiveness in work and health. It means survival through planned intervention. Here you have observed that intervention is a concept that is going to be discussed in this video. What is intervention? So intervention is generally we call intervention means change. Then what is intervention? Let's see in a meaningful manner, which has given by Robert Jacqui. Here, intervention is a sequence of activities, actions, and events intended to help an organization improve its performance and effectiveness. So, it is intended means it is pre-planned. Let us see how the intervention be planned in the organization from the next slide. So let us here the purpose and importance of OD intervention, why the interventions are needed to the organization. Boost the quality of employee outcome. So boosting the quality of employee outcome means, for example, if the company is using old methods, old mechanism, old technology to for the operations of organization, then then the company cannot compete with the other companies or the competitors in the market. So that The OD intervention can help the employee to boost up the quality outcome. And next one is perpetually improving organization. So perpetually improving organization means focusing on towards its goal and objectives for the long run survival. And next one is enhanced quality of products and services. So by implementing the intervention, the company can observe the quality of services and products. It means they can easily compete with the competitors, and they can be easily in touch with the customers. They will know what is good in their products and how the services can be improved. And next one is enhanced competitive edge. Yes, this is very important to be in competition in the market with their competitors. It will enhance the competitive edge. There is a chance, if they particularly follow the new methods, the updated tools in the market, they have a chance to compete in the market and increase the profit. So if they follow all those things, definitely there will be a good revenue for the company. And next one is, let us see. So the intervention cannot be done in a single way. So for clearly understanding and in what categories the interventions can be done, let us see. These interventions are categorized into three types. One is behavior techniques, and second one is non-behavior techniques, and third one is miscellaneous techniques. So behavior techniques, here you can by name itself, it can these are applied, these interventions or techniques are applied on behavior. It means on human or else the machinery. And next one is non-behavioral. So these are applied on the structure and procedure of flow of the organization. And miscellaneous techniques, so these miscellaneous techniques can be used simultaneously on depending on the situation in the organization by the OD intervenes. It means the OD consultants or the management directly. Behavior techniques, these techniques are designed to affect the behavior of individuals and group. uh, these include sensitivity training, role play, management by objective, grid organization development. And the non-behavior techniques, as already discussed, non-behavior techniques are focusing on structured than the behavior techniques. These include organizational redesign, work design, job enrichment. And miscellaneous techniques. Miscellaneous techniques, in addition to these behavior and non-behavior techniques, there are some other OD intervention techniques. They are survey feedback, process consultation, and team building. So if you observe, these are also applied on behavior as well as non-behavior interventions. And these are another important concepts of this unit. These interventions will be discussed clearly in the next video. Hope this video will help you to learn OD interventions, and meet up you in next video.